In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to high five in FigJam. This quick trick is perfect for celebrating wins, showing appreciation, or simply adding a bit of fun energy to your workshop or brainstorming session. It takes just a moment to learn, and it works beautifully whether you're collaborating live with teammates or working solo and want a little cheer. First, make sure you're in a FigJam board with your cursor free on the canvas. If you've just been typing in a sticky note or text box, click once on an empty area of the canvas so you're not editing anything. Now for the magic, press and hold the H key on your keyboard. Don't just tap it, keep it held down. As you do, your cursor will instantly turn into a friendly hand, letting everyone know you're ready for a high five. While you're holding H, move your cursor around the canvas like you normally would. You'll notice the hand follows your pointer. If your collaborators are also holding H, bring your cursors together, and you'll all see a delightful high five animation. It's a small moment that helps remote sessions feel more human and connected. When you're done, simply release the H key to return your cursor to normal. A couple of tips can make this even smoother. If nothing happens when you hold H, check that you're in a FigJam board rather than a standard Figma design file, as this effect is specific to FigJam. Also confirm you're not focused inside a text field or editing shape. Click the canvas once, then hold H again. Keyboard shortcuts work the same in the desktop app and in a browser, and both a mouse and a trackpad are fine. Use the high five to acknowledge a great idea, wrap up a milestone, or just give a quick morale boost during a retro. It works best in the moment. Hold H, move toward a teammate's cursor, and share that visual celebration together. If you want to keep the high five visible a bit longer, continue holding H. Releasing it will end the gesture. And if you have multiple teammates high-fiving at once, that's even more fun for the group. That's all you need. Press and hold H to high five in FigJam. Try it in your next session to add a touch of delight and keep your collaboration lively. Thanks for watching, and have fun high-fiving your team.